What's good, y'all? You see anything different? Yeah, that's right. We in a natural disaster, boys. Lone Star 214. My trusty sidekick, Cowboys as always, reporting to you live from the DFW area. We're under a national winter advisory storm. Nothing new. I know Dax at the Star. That's basically it. Mavs play tonight. Go Mavs, go. Just look at this, guys. What in the world? But that's all I have. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing to the Lone Star 214 Sports Report. Hashtag let us know. And I'll talk to you all soon. Please consider sharing, commenting, subscribing to the Lone Star 214 Sports Report. So that way you'll be informed on all of your DFW local sports news. Stay safe and keep doing what y'all doing. Go all DFW sports teams. Any kind of weather, I'm here. This is